Welcome to the Freedom Forever Solar Academy. This program is designed for solar enthusiasts who are looking to take their solar knowledge to the next level. In today's lesson, we'll cover inverters and charge controllers. An inverter is part of a solar system that converts the DC power into AC power for use in the home or electrical grid. Charge controllers are components that are used to manage charging and discharging of batteries connected to the system. One way to understand how an inverter converts power is to imagine it being two pairs of switches, which are called transistors. The transistors are paired so that when 1 and 3 are closed, then 2 and 4 are open. Each pair will cause the current to switch directions when closed. Those transistors also enable the current to rise and fall gradually as they open and close. This is necessary for the current output to be in the form of a sine wave. If the transistors opened and closed instantaneously, the output from the inverter would be a square wave, which will not work safely for many devices. All grid-tied inverters are required to isolate themselves from the electrical grid if power fails or falls outside of acceptable limits. This isolation is required so that solar systems don't send current into power lines if they're being worked on by line crews. As with the inverter circuit, the isolation circuit uses switches to connect or disconnect the inverter to and from the grid. It is because of this isolation that inverters don't supply power during blackouts unless they are specifically equipped to do so. Only inverters for battery-equipped systems are configured to provide power to selected circuits in blackouts. The amount of power you'll have available during a blackout period will depend on how much power you are getting from your solar panels during the day. To learn more about this topic, make sure you read the entire lesson at freedomforever.com/solaracademy.